Most businesses on WhatsApp use some kind of auto-reply, but there's a new kind of artificial intelligence that does far more than chat. Let's break down what an AI agent actually is and the one rule you have to get right so WhatsApp doesn't shut you down. Around 3 billion people use WhatsApp, and more than 200 million businesses are already on it. Customers message and expect an answer in minutes, not hours. The problem is not getting messages a circumflex euros, it's answering them fast enough. Here is the rule that trips people up. As of early 2026, WhatsApp bars general-purpose AI chatbots a circumflex euros. You can no longer just add ChatGPT as a contact and call it your agent because that service was shut down. But WhatsApp explicitly allows business AI as long as it's doing a real job like booking or support. That's the kind of agent we're building. So what is a business agent? A normal autoresponder just fires one canned reply and then waits for a human. An AI agent reads what the customer actually asked, checks your calendar, takes a deposit, books the slot, and updates your records, a circumflex euros, all on its own. Here is the key idea. A chatbot only produces words. An agent is handed a set of tools, a circumflex euros, your calendar, your payment link, your customer list, a circumflex euros, and it's allowed to use them. It doesn't just answer the question, it completes the task behind it. Watch what that looks like. The customer asks about Saturday. The agent checks the calendar, quotes the price, collects a deposit, confirms the booking, and saves it to the customer's record, a circumflex euros, in 2 replies, with no staff involved. So how does the AI reach those tools? Through an open standard called MCP, a circumflex euros. Think of it as a USB-C port for a .I. One standard plug lets the agent connect to your calendar, your payments, and your customer records, then pick the right tool for each job. And to be fair, a circumflex euros, you can build a version of this yourself. A no-code tool like NA10 has an official WhatsApp business node. You bolt an AI model onto it, and then you wire in your calendar and payments. It genuinely works. But there's a catch. WhatsApp has strict rules. Never automate your personal number by scanning a QR code into an unofficial tool, a circumflex euros, that breaks WhatsApp's terms and can get your number banned. The only safe out is the official business API. Even then, you can only reply freely inside a 24-hour window. After that, you need paid, pre-approved templates. And every tool you connect is fragile glue code you maintain forever. So it comes down to this. You can wire the whole stack yourself and become the person who polices the rules and fixes it when it breaks. Or you use an agent where the compliance and the tools are already handled and you simply watch the bookings arrive. That's what Remarketly does. Its AI agent reads the message, checks your calendar, takes the deposit, and updates your records, a circumflex euros, right inside WhatsApp on the official API with the rules handled for you. See it at remarketly.io.